Welcome back again. It's Sid from Hunter and Child Investments. All right, today we got a problem. This 2007 Honda CR-V. I was driving along. This car's been doing fine. Let's crank this thing on and see what the engine light's all about. So as you can see, engine light's still on. So we're going to plug in our handy dandy Autel from Amazon right there. I'll put the link in the description for that one. I no longer have Amazon affiliate link. So that's another story to be told. Let's see here. Zoom in. We'll do OBD readers. Okay. It's processing. Okay, it's got one code. We'll toggle down with this little toggle switch. Mine's not touchscreen. Well, I'm not that fancy and bougie, so I'm gonna go there. We'll say okay first. So I usually like to go to 2. I don't know why. It's just my thing. Let's go to 2. Hit okay. We read the codes. Let's go down to 2. We got pending codes. Yes, we. Kicks and giggles. Codes. Okay, not supported. We'll leave that alone. We'll go back to code 1 then. So it looks like it's module $. That means it's going to cost me some money. 8DAF111. So on the Toyotas, I want to say P means problem, so P404, P243, that means it's a problem. I think for the Honda, the $sign means it's going to cost you some money, so that's what that means. Correct me if I'm wrong, put a comment below. We're going to read the code. I know what that means. I have recently replaced my O2 sensor. When I did the whole muffler, I did from the exhaust manifold all the way back to the muffler. I actually included the resonator, catalytic converter, the whole shebang basically. I'll let you click on that link where I showed you that, how to replace that. I actually didn't do it, which is going to take me too much time. So as far as cost savings, put a link in the description below there, and to that video. Highly doubt the O2 sensor is going to be that cheap coming from a Honda dealership, being an OEM being original equipment manufacturer versus aftermarket where you buy it from your local AutoZone, O'Reilly's, any aftermarket autos place. All right, I'll show you how to order that, and then we'll install it. I ordered online the oxygen sensor. So according to the OBD reader, it says oxygen sensor bank 1, which technically there's only one bank on the 4 cylinders. So bank 1, sensor 2, which is the downstream sensor.
I saw them on Amazon. Amazon like $205. I'll just sit and order now. I have to go back.
Right. Thank you. Yes, sir.
Hi, are you Tom?
Yes.
I spoke to you about picking an online order. So I grabbed this from my local hardware store. Automotive store. And it's NGK and NTTK. It's the same thing. So that's what I was talking about earlier. And here's the part number 24266. This was let's say 123 with the discount. So we got that. You get an O2 sensor socket. I want to say this is about 20 bucks. You get a ratchet, and my all-time favorite, you need a nose plier. So it should look like this. Socket goes kind of sideways on the wire. I know there's another socket out there, and I'll flash it across the screen that you can attach to have the wire go through the top of this, and then you attach a ratchet over here sideways rather than direct. I feel like I have more power when I'm directly over it, so that's the reason I bought this one. Sorry for the poor lighting, but I gotta do what I gotta do. It's getting kind of late, so I got some lighting done here. You can see that's where it plugs in. Zoom in. That's where it plugs in. So with 8 sensor 2, so this one. Pro tip: make sure you're working on a cool down pipe. You don't want to touch this wire. It's warm. Bring yourself. Follow that green wire there. Zoom in on there, and it goes right over to here. So unplug there. Should be easy peasy. Lemon squeezy. All right, let's get to work. There we go. So when I put it back, I usually like to put anti-seize. That's a pro tip too. Pro tip number 2: put anti-seize in there so you make it easy for the next person. You know. Yeah. Put some anti-seize on there. Make it easy for the next person. Clean there. I don't know why it's setting off a bad signal. But anyhow, we're gonna replace it. Yeah. That should be enough. Yeah. Next person to take this off will surely thank you. All right, put it back the same way we found it. New one's in. Looks good. Everything's tidied up back in its clip. All right, reinstalled everything, put everything back together. I did drive around the car a little bit to see if the engine light went away. It did not, so I took my OBD reader from Autel from Amazon. I bought orders from Amazon. I'll flash it across the screen, and I did reset the engine code. It was actually a pending code. It wasn't even like a permanent code. So again, P0139. So I did drive around a little bit to work and to the gym. So let's turn this thing on. So engine light's still not there, which is a good thing. Looks like we fixed the problem. If you enjoyed this channel and I provided value to you, I would appreciate if you hit the subscribe button. And this channel is all about helping you save money, cost savings, and we'll talk about finance too at the same time through how-to videos. I'll see you in the next one.